More people die from lung cancer than any other type of cancer. Cigarette smoking is the number one risk factor for lung cancer. It's responsible for 87% of lung cancer deaths. Your chance of still being alive 5 years after being diagnosed is less than 1 in 5. COPD, also known as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, is a lung disease that makes it hard to breathe and causes serious long-term disability and early death. COPD starts by making it hard to be active, such as playing with a grandchild, then usually gets worse until climbing a short set of stairs or even walking to get the mail is exhausting or impossible. It can leave people stuck in their homes, unable to do the things they want or see friends. About 80% of all COPD is caused by cigarette smoking. COPD is the third leading cause of death in the United States. Because smoking affects your arteries, it can trigger a stroke. A stroke happens when the blood supply to your brain is temporarily blocked. Brain cells are bereft of oxygen and start to die. A stroke can cause paralysis, slurred speech, altered brain functions, and death. Stroke is the fourth leading cause of death in the United States and a leading cause of adult disability. Advertising in media as other type of advertising. Advertising by tobacco companies had to influence people to smoke. A study published by Journal of Consumer Research by researcher Cornelia Peachman concluded that teenagers are influenced and affected by the type of tobacco advertising and media they are exposed to. Although the ways into which tobacco companies can reach the public have been searched out in legislation, the effects can still be seen by marketing campaigns using cartoon characters, giveaways, and free samples. Peer pressure is a significant factor for many people who start to smoke. Economic status, educational level, and family history are significant factors that determine the level of peer pressure and the consequences of such pressures. A 1993 study by Cornelia Peachman, published in Marketing Science Institute, concluded that prior beliefs referred to the images and ideas about smoking that children develop before any formal anti-smoking education. Often these beliefs are subsequently held and are resistant to education. Family smoking and role models are significant factors in influencing young children to smoke. An article in the journal Consumer Affairs by Karen H. Smith and Mary Ann Stutz reported that the most important factors associated with smoking are family smoking behaviors, peer pressure, and prior beliefs about smoking. Children often see smoking as grown-up behavior, which further encourages them to smoke. Children from families where smoking is prevalent tend to develop the habit and are less likely to quit later in life.